Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to go ahead and show you how I do my brows because as of lately, I've been using a different method and technique and it's been making my life a lot easier. So I'm so excited to show you guys how I tint my brows, and a lot of you guys have been asking me in the comments to do a video on it. So that's what I'm doing for today's video. Before I do start, I do want to ask you guys a question because you guys know I've been asking questions before my video starts. And this question is, how long does it take you guys to do your brows? Because for me, you guys, before I started tinting my brows, it took me 30 to 40 minutes. So let me know down below how long it takes you. But I'm so excited to show you guys how I tint my brows because it makes my life a lot easier. And this kit that I do use is called the Godefroy tint kit, and I do have it in the shade dark brown. So when you do get this, it comes with a whole entire kit in here, and when you open it up, it has these capsules, and it comes with 20 capsules if I'm correct. And then also it gives you an angled brush, of course, and then they do have their cream developer, which you do mix it with the capsule, and then it makes your whole entire paste. But also it's supposed to come with a mixing cup. For some reason it didn't come with that, for me at least, so I do use this glass dish, you know, whatever you want to call it, so that way it makes it a little bit easier for me to mix later on. And also, of course, it comes with some instructions, which I do recommend to read, because when it's your first time doing this, you want to make sure you're doing it correctly. And I do want to mention, I'm no brow, professional out here. I just do it by myself because I do want to save some money. And I heard when it comes to dyes, you have to be careful with the eye area, because if it does get in your eyes, you guys already know a lot of things can happen. So make sure you're very careful. Watch a lot of videos, watch my video, take a lot of tips that I do give you guys before you go ahead and tint your brows. So with that being said, I'm so excited because my brows, y'all, I need to go ahead and do them because they're completely bald at this point. So yeah, let's just jump right into this video. All right, so before I do start, I want to show you guys what the kit looks like up close and personal in case you do want to purchase it. So this is what it looks like, and I got it on Amazon for $20, you guys, which is such a great price. And this is the back of it, and it has all the instructions also in the kit itself. But with this, I do want to show you guys how I mix it because it looks complicated, but honestly it's really simple. So what you do is you take one capsule, and I read in the comments a lot of people can use like half a capsule. You don't need to use the whole entire thing, but I just use the whole entire thing because I'm very lazy and I don't want to measure it out. So I'm just gonna take this and just open it up and break it in here. So let me just do that for you guys. So now that the powder is in the dish, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It just looks like this color right here, and hopefully it's focusing. So what I'm going to do now is mix the cream developer, and with this you want to use half a teaspoon. I don't measure it anymore because I just feel like I know, at this point. So I just put a little amount in there, and I'll show you guys before I do mix it. So I put about this much in the dish, not too much at all, and I'll probably add just a little bit more just to be on the safe side. And then you just start mixing it, you guys. So that's all you do, honestly. You just put the cream developer and you mix it, and then it turns into a nice brown paste. So I'm just gonna mix it for you guys. And also, I do want to say, you guys, I'm so sorry if my voice is kind of gone. I did a lot of activities this weekend, which involved a lot of screaming because I went to like the amusement park and everything like that. So my voice is kind of like gone at this point. So I just want to go ahead and apologize with that. But once I mix this is what it looks like, y'all. Like, it kind of looks a lot darker than what you planned because it is dark brown, but trust me, when you put it on your brows, it looks really good. So before I do put this on my brows, I want to make sure that I brush it out because you want to make sure everything's very even and lined up. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more. So I'm going to take my spoolie and just brush my brows out because I want to make sure that it's in the shape that I want before I do tint it, because if you don't do this, you guys, your brows are going to look very, very crazy. So now that my brows are brushed out, I'm going to take some Vaseline and just line the under part of my brows and also above it, because you want to make sure that the dye doesn't stain your skin at all. So to prevent that, what I do is I just go ahead and line the under part with some Vaseline. So now that everything is lined up and brushed out, I'm going to go ahead and apply the paste onto my brows. I'm going to use your angled brush that they put in the kit and just apply it onto the brows. So what I do is I kind of go in an upward motion. That way it looks very natural and realistic by the time I'm done. So I just go ahead and do this motion. So after I do the upward motion, what I do now is I take a lot of paste onto the brush and I kind of just place it in the areas that I didn't get, just like this. That way the product is really in the brow. So I just press a lot of product in that area. That way it's completely filled in. So now that everything is applied onto the brows, what I do now is I go in with this brush right here, and it's a Morphe M432, and I applied a little bit of rubbing alcohol. That way I can go in and completely line up everything and make sure it's absolutely perfect. So I just do this, you guys, and remove any excess product that is outside like my brow area. And also, you guys, there's one thing I do want to mention. When it comes to my brows, I make sure I do one at a time, because if I don't, I'll over process one brow. So I make sure I do one brow, then I'll do the other one. And also on the instructions, it does say to leave it on for 3 to 4 minutes. For me personally, when I do that, you guys, it doesn't look as dark as I want. So I kind of leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm not saying for everybody out there you should do that, but make sure you just test it out and see how long you want to leave it on. So I'm just gonna sit here, let it dry, and once it's done, I'll go ahead and wipe it off. Okay, so now I think it's time to take the brows off. I mean, it's been a good minute, so hopefully I didn't leave it on too long, because y'all, my brows are gonna be really dark. So what I do is I grab a paper towel and I just put some water on it. Not too much though, just a little bit of water. And then you just gently wipe it off, but I'll show you guys in a second. I will scrub it off and see what it looks like. So you just go back and forth and just remove the product. So once the product is off, I take my spoolie and I just brush my brows up just to see what I'm working with. And y'all can do it side by side and see that this one is obviously more filled in. But also y'all can notice that there's a little bit of gaps right here that I didn't completely get. So what I do is I go back in and make sure that everything is completely filled in. So sometimes I do go back in a second time just to make sure that, you know, it's as dark as I want and filled in. But for the first time, it doesn't look bad. I just want a little bit more darkness to it. Y'all know what I mean. So going back into the paste, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of product and just fill in the empty spots that I see. So now that it's filled in again, I'm going to leave it on for probably like 6 minutes this time, not too long. And then it should be fine once I wipe it off. So I'll be back again in a second. Okay, so now I'm going to wipe it off again. I'm taking my paper towel with a little bit of water on it. I'm just going to remove the product from my brows and see what it looks like. So I went back and forth a couple times to make sure that all the product is off my brows. Now I'm going to go in with the spoolie and just brush everything up and show you guys what the final product looks like. So with this, in the morning time, I still fill it in just a little bit, but I don't have to go in like this. You guys see how bald this side looks? Look at it. Look at this side. Completely different. So it makes my life a lot easier. So this is it all brushed up. It just looks filled in. I don't really have to do anything to my brows. It's just absolutely perfect. All right, you guys, so this is my brows completely tinted, and I just love this, you guys, because when I wake up in the morning, I don't have to do much to my brows. All I do is grab my pencil, fill it in, I'm good to go. And also I will mention, it does look dark initially, but throughout the week it does fade a little bit, so keep that in mind. But I love tinting my brows. I really recommend it to everybody out there because it does save you a lot of time. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you like and subscribe before you leave, and I think that's all I have for you guys. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.